Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the best settings for GTA 5 in terms of FPS, so like the best settings to get FPS or to boost FPS. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys want to do is just head over to settings. From settings you want to go down to graphics, and then from graphics the main thing that you want to look for is that your video memory does not like extend the memory that has like that you can use. So just make sure it's under. But other than that, what you can do is you can go ahead, ignore suggested limits. You can go ahead and turn that off. And what you want to do is you want to just look for the main things that you want to turn off is like FXAA, MSAA, VSync, stuff like that. You just want to turn stuff like that down. And what you can do is go over to graphics, go down. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Just look for stuff like texture quality. You want to set all of this to low. Anything that has like quality, you want to set it to low or medium. I believe it goes down to yeah, it goes down to normal. So go ahead and just turn it down to normal. And you can also turn stuff like water quality, which doesn't really matter. You can turn all that type of stuff down. And what you can also do as a last resort is turn your screen type to windowed mode instead of full screen. And then you can also change the resolution. So the lower the lower the 1080 is, so for example, the lower like the number on the right is, I guess the more FPS you'll get. Although it might make your game look a little bit worse, but I mean, if you want to sacrifice the FPS, that's up to you. But yeah, so 1080 is the highest, or depending on your monitor, 1080 is the default, but the lower you go, like 720, the better FPS you'll get. But yeah, that should be it. These are the main things. You guys want to just turn down all the quality. Make sure your refresh rate is to the max that your monitor can handle. So if your monitor is 75, just do it 75. And yeah, that should be it. And then yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.